happy-go-lucky sort. You fly along the path of life with a song in your heart and joy in everything you do. You cannot care less about what is to happen tomorrow, for each day is a delightful adventure that you seek with every breath you take. Always happy and carefree, you find pleasure in the darkest corners of the world and can always turn them topsy-turvy until you find the bright side. As a magical dreamer, you can envision beautiful fantasies, and since they are real in your mind, you will set out in search of them, whatever they are and wherever they might be. Never mind building for a future, you say, because today is to be lived to the fullest, and tomorrow will take care of itself. Therefore, you are not always the most stable of employees or marital partners. Whenever you are awake to a beautiful day, you are ready to hop to the nearest plane, train, or mule to some romantic spot in the world. Your imagination never allows you to cast your eyes downward to firm ground and security. You prefer to look to the clouds and to the universe that contains so many magical secrets crying out for exploration. All things mystical intrigue you. You could easily become a sorcerer for the sheer thrill of unveiling the infinite secrets of life. Your friends may think you irresponsible and a bit mad for traipsing off whenever the urge strikes you, or for not building some sort of secure future for yourself. This is mainly because few people can think like someone with a 5 vibration, and therefore they cannot understand you. You have great powers, and they should be used to advantage rather than frittered away. If you travel as your wanderlust dictates, make full use of the experiences and the knowledge to be gained so that you can put them to good use at another time. Your great interest in everything will always stand you in good stead, inasmuch as that knowledge allows you to work in many fields and gives you a well-rounded background. With this foundation, you will find that through the barter system, you can pretty much go where you like. Perhaps you might write travels featured in exchange for being able to travel where you wish, thus paying in kind. You will always find a way, of that there is a little doubt, but you will be so much better for seeing the world and relaying your experiences to the less fortunate or carefree of spirit. Concentrate on using every bit of talent and knowledge you have been bestowed with and mold it into something of value so that you can always afford to indulge your fancies. You must make a supreme effort to avoid being fickle and frittering away your energies and talents. Depression, too, is a constant threat, and you truly have to strive to keep yourself from giving into it.